The handheld Multi4 model is ideal for large and cumbersome parts, even if they are difficult to reach. Due to its integrated battery, Multi4 allows marking indoors as well as outside. The controller mobility and the use of a standing support allows the Multi4 to be fully operational, whatever the working configuration. The body in cast aluminium reinforces its rigidity. To make its use even easier, a specifically designed trolley supporting both the controller and the marking head is available as an option. Its lightness and ergonomics provide a large range of use and good quality marking in all positions. Due to the patented IDI premium technology, Multi4 will electronically compensate level differences between the part and the stylus, allowing a perfect marking on round surfaces. The optional end of bar tool provides good quality marking in specifically difficult conditions. Depending on the type of parts to mark, 3 marking head configurations are available. Multi4, the reference.